Immerse into local weekend. You might get lucky here. First, let's try another hotel. This time is Yibai Hotel, not far from Chunxi Road. This hotel was booked under trip.com as well. It does have some signage outside the pathway to direct you towards to the hotel direction. Details and info as usual is located, or you can search through the description box below. Okay, let's check out the room. I'm staying at 626 of Yibai Hotel. So once you walk in, the bathroom is just opposite. Decent size, the bathroom. Standing shower. The toilet bowl, the wash basin. Here you can put your hanging clothes and a full height mirror. So here you have your TV and a queen size bed. There's no window for this room, but they do have a ventilation window whereby it goes towards to the corridor where we come in. So the window ventilation will be something here. The ventilation is for the room side by side. What do you think of this room? Do comment below. It's 100 yen per night. We are here at the People's Park in Chengdu. We're here at Kuanzhai Alley, the wide and narrow alley. Well, I didn't stay for the night as I'm getting tired and we head back for an early break. On the way back, saw this firehouse displaying their uniform like a storefront. Interesting. Interested to get my itinerary and more info or bonuses? Do check out my newsletter sign up in the description box below. On the next episode, we check out the local market. At night, you see a gigantic show. See you on my next episode. Bye.